In this video, I'm going to show you how to create vocal score after you finish your full score. Let's say you finished your full score, you have all the elements you need in the score: song title, rehearsal marking, double bar lines, measure numbers, chord progressions, dynamic signs, articulations, of course, lyrics, slurs, syllables, and word extensions, crescendo signs. So it looks like I have everything in the score ready to share with my musicians and singers. So next thing I'm gonna do is to duplicate this score to create vocal score. Let's say I want to save it here and change the file title to vocal score and save. Alright, so now I want to change the paper size, page size, to the letter size. So click this page layout tool, page layout menu, page size, letter size, portrait. Click OK. Next, I'm going to check which part is a good fit to represent the band summary. So this arrangement has the piano playing the majority of the time. So I'm going to use the treble staff of the piano. So here, the piano is not playing, but the drum set is playing. So I'm going to fill out the piano part with the drum part and indicate this is not the piano part, this is the drum set playing something. So type in drum set, OK, assign, and relocate it nicely. And check in the piano treble staff and see, okay, this one's better with the 8th notes. So, okay, let's see. Oh, here, piano's not playing, but the drum set is playing something again. So I'm going to copy the drum set parts into the piano's treble staff again. Drag and copy, and indicating this is not the piano, but the drum set. Relocate it again. For the rest of the arrangement, I think piano, represents nicely. Next thing I'm gonna do is to eliminate unwanted parts at this point. Piano's treble staff represent the band arrangement, so I'm going to delete guitar, piano's left hand, and all other band parts. So I'm scrolling to the window right edge to show these X signs and click unwanted parts like so. Alright, so now we only have all the voice parts, and piano part is at this point the band part, so I'm changing the name as well as the abbreviated name. And the file menu, and then I'm changing the score title to vocal score. Alright, now I can close the window. Now I'm going to eliminate the vocal parts that are not singing for a long while, like this part until here. So I highlight these parts, select Staff tool, right click, number 13, collapse. And now we can see they are hidden now. Okay, now I'm going to fit 4 bars per system to have a clean look of the score. Shift Command M to pop up this window. I type 4 per system. And now I have a better looking score. Alright, so the male parts are still not singing yet, so I'm gonna hide them. And now I can fit nicely. The first system, you have to show all the parts. From the second system, you should hide voice parts that are not singing. I'm spacing nicely so the chord symbols are not colliding with anything else. I don't want it to be too far from the bound part. They look good. So I want to fit first bar of a rehearsal marking at the start of a system. So I'm editing that and fitting 4 bar or 3 bar each. This song has 7 bar sections. So I'm adjusting that. Alright, 4 bar each. And I want to fit 2 systems per page. So what I'm gonna do is to resize the entire score, kind of shrink them down a little bit. So I go to the first page of the score, click there, and type 85% all pages. Click OK. And now I'm fitting 2 systems per page, and it looks good. It's not too small, it's not too big, and 8 bar per page, 8 to 7, 7 to 8. I feel like I need a little more room between systems, so Staff tool, highlight the little box and drag it down to make more room between the systems. Okay, now I have a good looking vocal score. That's good to go.